family, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tiara at HerSheEatsGood. How are you guys doing today? I really hope that all is well, y'all. Today I'm coming at you with an Indian food mukbang. I have some shrimp tikka masala, I have some garlic naan, I have some vegetable samosas. I have the dip for that. I also have some more of the sauce from the tikka masala to dip my naan in. That is so good. Y'all gotta try it. But before we get into this video, y'all, go ahead, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure your bell is turned on so whenever I drop a new video, you will know. That's right. And also, guys, before I get into this video, you already know what I ask y'all every time I'm in front of this camera. That's right. How you feeling today? How's your mind? How is your heart? How's your soul? Are you checking on you? Huh? Are you seeing about you? I really hope that all is well, y'all. I'm excited. I'm hungry. This food smells good. But y'all, they played, right? Because I guess I don't know if they know that I know what basmati rice is. This is not that. This is like some long grain white rice. And I do not eat white rice. But I will today. But they played. And I got to call them about that. Like, y'all could have just said y'all don't got no basmati rice. Like, don't do that. Don't play like that. But anyway, y'all. Hold on. Let me get a couple of bites and we're going to get into the conversation. The rice, good, but the sauce is good. I got it spicy too today, y'all. Like I said, it's a shrimp tikka masala. So good. I have sparkling water on the side, but it's not much in there, so I also have bottled water too, just so y'all know. But yeah, sure, how y'all feeling today? I hope y'all feeling good. I really do. Y'all, this garlic naan, it's always a hit. So good. But y'all, today, because I know, I'm usually talking about, more serious things. But today I've actually been thinking about sense of humor. For some reason, that was on my mind, right? And y'all know how it's always that person that you might have, or even if it's just yourself, that it's certain things y'all can say or do, and it just make y'all just crack up. And I was thinking about me and my sister. Y'all know my sister Jay from Will and Jay Eats. And I was thinking about how me and my sister's sense of humor is just like, it's like nobody else's. Like, me and my sister can be cracking up off of something that nobody else would probably find funny, or they wouldn't see the humor in it like we see the humor in it. That shrimp is good. I'm so mad they played with my rice though. Like, why would y'all do that? I like this green sauce. This little green sauce right here, I don't know if it's like a chimichurri sauce or whatever, but it's really good. Hold on, let me get a bite of this samosa. This is veggie. So there's like potato, lentils and stuff like that in it. Curry seasoning. It's really good. And then, so the reason why I brought that up is because I be wondering, like, I know people gotta have, like, what me and my sister have, that type of, like, sense of humor connection. You know what I'm saying? hot. But I was really thinking, because I was thinking about when we did that, when me and her did the faux video, and we was reading off those questions. If y'all haven't seen that video, go check that video out, so that way you understand what I'm talking about. And one of the questions, even when I think about it now, it's just funny to me. Like, it was basically asking you questions like the least thing you would want to do. And we would ask each other 5 questions, and out of those 5, we had to guess what the least thing they would want to do. One of hers was to be very slowly melting. And y'all, when I seen that question or that thing to do, it just, oh my gosh, it made me laugh so hard. And my sister, and she know how our sense of humor is, so she starts laughing. I even know what I'm laughing at. It just had me thinking, like, it's good to have, you know, a moment outside of all the serious stuff going on, outside of all the, you know, craziness in the world. Like, just take a moment and just get some good laughs in, man. You need that. You need that. And oh my gosh, like, me and my sister, I get that. I can always count on me and her getting a good laugh from each other. Excuse me. And I know one day when she was, you know, telling me about something she was about to do, so we on the text messages and we just going back and forth, just being silly with each other. And it was just, when I tell you, we was like both dying laughing off each other's responses. Okay, a little crispy. This ain't crispy, I don't know what. And just, I don't know. I was just thinking about that. I'm just thinking about, like, how much I appreciate the fact that her and I can have that sense of humor, you know, those bust a gut laughs from time to time, because I tell you, it's always so much going on that we can always be mad about something. We can always have a serious moment about something. But I do thoroughly believe that laughter is good for the soul. I'm one of those people that believe in that. And for me, it doesn't mean I don't take things serious. It doesn't mean I'm, you know, laughing at real situations. I'm not. It's none of that. That means that as a human being, you don't want to find yourself always uptight or stressed out about everything that's going on that you don't got no control over anyway. You know? So, if you can get those moments where you can just have a good laugh and just breathe, it's almost like a relax, relate, release type of thing. All the 80s babies should know where that come from. Y'all should know. Okay? Drop it down in the comments below. Relax, relate, release. Where does that come from? Y'all, that thing is hot still. Even if you're a 90s baby, you might know where it come from too. Still comment, let me know. Okay? This is good. Definitely. It's masala. They could have made it a little bit more spicy, which I thought they would have. I told them spicy. But it's not bad. This naan, y'all. This garlic naan, let me show y'all. It's like so good. Let me just show y'all all the little pieces of garlic on it. Y'all see that? Flavor. Just flavor everywhere. But I love, like, you know how you just have those people when you're around, you just know it's like you can be yourself, you can get good laughs and stuff like that. Man, we need that. We need that. Like, I think it's important. I really do. And I know sometimes I just get to thinking about stuff that me and my sister done talked about, and I just start laughing again. Like, me and her, we'll get to go line for line with Martin, and it is over, okay? And I mean line for line. Because to us, that's still a classic show. Like, that's one of those shows that I don't care how old it gets. I don't care how old we get. I will watch it from the first episode, season 1, episode 1, and still laugh. Like, I just will. Yo, this thing is hot. Like, not spicy, temperature hot. I think the potatoes are holding the heat. So if y'all have somebody like that in your life, appreciate them. Like, that person if you can share those good laughs with, or have that good sense of humor with, you gotta love them. I'm telling you. There's enough people in this world that can make you mad or make you sad, make you angry, make you worried. There's enough people in this world that make you do all those other things, but it's like, do you ever stop and think about those people that you can get that good laugh with? Excuse me. See, that's done. It's my water now. Cause I love me. I'm talking about, I like them good laughs where it's like you can't catch your breath, the tears coming out your eyes, your stomach hurt type of laugh. Them type of laughs, they really actually make you feel, it's almost like you're releasing something whenever you do that. Because afterwards you just feel like, so I love a good laugh. I mean, if you're around me, those that know me, and like really know me, know my personality and stuff like that, know when I'm around, some type of laughter has to happen. It just does. I can be very silly when I want to. It's all in like the comfort of who I'm around. You know what I mean? Like somebody, I don't know. Cause sometimes, now I'm in a space where it's just like, this is who I am, period. So like, take it or leave it or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But of course I'm gonna feel more comfortable like Excuse me, y'all. When I'm around like my mom and my sister and my family and stuff like that. And they just know me for always being silly, making everybody laugh. And that just, I don't know, that's just me. Because it's like, at the same time, I know, you know, I'm very aware of a lot of things going on. I'm, you know, some people like to say conscious. I'm a lot of things, right? But I don't stay in any place. Like, I don't stay in the state of you know, things going on in the world or things going, just, I don't stay in those places where it's always something. You know what I'm saying? Because there's always going to be something. It just is. I can be aware of it. And, you know what I'm saying, I can still live and be myself and still, you know, understand things that's going on or whatever the case may be. That's how I look at it. But being, you know, having a good laugh and just being silly sometimes, that's just a part of my personality. And it's funny because, like, with even me and my husband, like, early on in our relationship, I think I kind of not hid my silliness, but I just, like, I didn't let it be, you know, so upfront. But now it's like, boy, bye. We is, what, 5 years married? Please. We're going to get all of this here. All of it. All of it. But it works well for the both of us. I'm here for this naan right now. You know what I'm saying? I really am. These are good, but the crust is a little real crispy or whatever. Like, they was right about to burn them and then they took them out. Like, y'all played. But the inside good. You know? Okay, Popeye's biscuit, jeez. You know how when something takes too long to go down your throat, like when it's kind of dry a little bit, and it make you hiccup? I thought I was about to. It did. But yes, y'all. Get y'all a good laugh in today. Here. Get y'all a good laugh in today. I'm just saying. Do it. Okay? In the midst of whatever you got going on, get you a good laugh in. Okay? Just get you a good laugh in. However you get it. Go to the source and get your laugh. You might need it and don't even know you need it. Get your good laugh in here. Y'all, I am here for this bread. I could have just ordered a bunch of this bread and told them to give me some sauce or something. There's a little crunch to it, like, this bread is delicious. Y'all got this from the, y'all know I got a cafe in my building. And they sell Indian food. But I do know they're under, I think they're under new management. And I feel like the Indian food kind of went downhill under the new management. I don't know. It's definitely not the same. Like, I remember a time I would order their Indian food and be like, oh, this is so good. This almost tastes like, and I know what tikka masala should taste like. This is giving me very much like tomato bisque. Okay? This is giving me very much that. And I'm just like, y'all played. The shrimp good, but it's like not until after you pay your money for something and then you be like, I could have saved my money. I mean, I would have bought the bread. Definitely would have bought the bread. And I'm going to eat this shrimp because it's always food. You know what I'm saying? But could I have saved my money? I could have. That's what I get for not trying to make my own stuff something. You know what I'm saying? But with the time I have allotted to even do the video, I knew this would be a quicker alternative. So it's cool or whatever. It's cool or whatever. You know, I ain't gonna trip. This bread though. But it's funny. Dipping the bread in the sauce, it's giving me very much like a grilled cheese and tomato soup. So I don't know how y'all made y'all tikka masala. And y'all, they still banging in this building. If y'all can hear it, I don't know if y'all can. They just be banging away. What y'all building new apartments in here? Like, I'm confused. Or they could be rebuilding, well, not rebuilding, but revamping the one that's already here. That's why when I'm in my studio, in my new big 5-bedroom, fully furnished basement house, I ain't gotta worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Because if my husband want to build something or whatever, because he do maintenance, I'm gonna tell him like, babe, wait until I do this video. You feel me? I want something in my studio, in my house. Because it's coming. It is definitely coming. And when I do, y'all will get a studio tour, okay? Yes, y'all will. Yes, y'all will. Y'all ain't gonna eat this other one. I'll probably save it for my son. I'm gonna finish this bread. I'm gonna get out of here. But on my fork, thought I got it on my shirt. But make sure y'all get y'all laughing for the day, for real. You gotta have it. You definitely do. So just make sure you get it in. Just make sure you get it in. For real. Somebody need a good laugh. Somebody's feeling down. I'm sad. I probably don't even know why. Because your soul needs to laugh. You know what I'm saying? Did you check on your soul? That's why I be asking y'all that. Okay? But yes, y'all. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I'm gonna get out of here. Cause y'all, yesterday, first of all, y'all don't tell nobody, right? How you be late to virtual anything? But y'all, my video ran over. My son logged in this a little bit late, but shh, don't y'all tell nobody here. Especially not my husband. Don't tell him. I'm for real. Just a few minutes though. Luckily they was having a little technical difficulty, so they ain't even getting on time, you know. But he was a little bit later than them. So I'm making sure today I'm cutting my videos short. I gotta be responsible. Make sure he is responsible. No, but seriously, y'all, I definitely went over my time. So Thank you guys so much for joining me. Got a little bit of bread. All right, there we go. Y'all know I be silly. But thank y'all so much for joining me. I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all. So make sure, like I said before, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell is turned on so whenever I drop a new video, you will know. And until I see you guys till next time, make sure you're taking care of your mind. Make sure you're taking care of your heart and take care of your soul. And make sure you get you a good laugh in the day, please. Get one in for me. Here. Love y'all. Bye.